Hey, you guys, it is Mirski back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, like it, and share it. And let's just get into this video. Okay, so you guys, I wanted to do a quick visualization thing on, whatever you're trying to manifest. I want to give you some visualization tips while I'm packaging up this jewelry that I'm be sending out. So I'm trying to multitask right here, which I know I can. So the visualization tip that I want to give you guys is that when you are visualizing something, okay, don't think that you need to focus solely on that specific thing when you're visualization or when you're visualizing. Like, let's say that you want to manifest money, to make it simple for you, because money is a very dominant topic. So you don't have to manifest a specific way that money is to come to you. So let's just say you want money to come to you through a specific type of source. You don't have to use money just for that. You can visualize money coming in through an abundance amount of things. So don't limit yourself to one way you're trying to manifest something, okay? Because this is how you actually deter the manifestation from working and the law of attraction from working in the abundant amount of ways that it can happen for you. So when you're visualizing, make sure that you keep your mind open to the possibilities that it could come to you. Okay, so you don't just want to set your intention out on one thing. For instance, if I want to manifest more clients for my business, I'm manifesting an abundant amount of clients that I see that can come to me with, qualities that represent the same. Like, okay, they support me, they like my business, but it's different type of clients. You don't want to get the same thing and then it gets boring for you. You want to have people that can excite you, people that can come with new ideas for you, or, things like that. So when you're visualizing, make sure that you are visualizing something that, resonates with you, for number one, and keeping your mind open to the different possibilities that could come. Another one is, when you're visualizing, make sure that you feel good and you're in a state of feel good. You can even do this when you don't feel good, but you want to get yourself in a high vibe to feel good. You want to make sure that you feel good, okay, when you're visualizing, because that'll make the manifestation come a lot quicker for you. Okay, you guys, this was a really quick video. If you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to purchase a crystal jewelry book or reading with me, check the description box below for all of that information. And if you would like to leave a comment down below on any other topics that I can do or on this video and how it helped you, definitely do that down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Love y'all.